Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of baking with a review of what many consider the best cookie mold press on the market right now.
The HULISEN Cookie Stamps Set of 4. If you're looking to elevate your cookie game, this might just be the tool you need.
Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what you get in this package.
You'll receive 4 beautifully crafted metal cookie stamps with ergonomic wooden handles. Each stamp features a unique design: sunflowers, snowflakes, squares, and geometric patterns. These aren't just any cookie stamps. They're designed to create stunning 3D embossed patterns on your cookies and pastries.
Using them is a breeze. Simply chill your dough, roll it into balls, and press with one of these stamps.
Whether you're a baking enthusiast or a professional, these stamps are designed to be user-friendly and produce consistent results every time. Made from durable cast aluminum, these stamps are built to last.
They're rust-proof and won't crack over time. Plus, they come with wooden handles that not only look great but also provide a comfortable grip.
Cleaning is simple too, just a quick hand wash and they're good to go for your next baking session. Oh, and they come in a beautifully packaged gift box, making them an excellent choice for a thoughtful present.
One reviewer mentioned, "These stamps are a game changer for my holiday baking. They add such a beautiful touch to my cookies."
Compared to other cookie stamps on the market, the HULISEN set stands out for its quality materials, intricate designs, and ease of use. Wrapping it up, if you're looking to take your baking to the next level or searching for a perfect gift for a baking enthusiast, the HULISEN Cookie Stamp Set of 4 is definitely worth considering. From its quality build to the beautiful designs it creates, it's clear why this is a top choice among cookie molds. That's it for today's review.
If you enjoyed this video,
don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!